Hey guys, it's Isis. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My barely existent but still here. I'm still trying to post living my life. I'm going to teach you guys how to get the most basically possible pigment you can get out of your eyeshadows. Keep watching if you guys want to find out how to get the most pigmented eyeshadow you possibly can without being a huge big makeup artist, beauty guru. Hit the subscribe button if you guys aren't already, and push that notification button if you guys want to be notified for when I upload, because who knows with me. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Enough talking. Let's just go ahead and get right into the video. I just finished my first year of college, and yeah, that explains itself. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing a robe. I'm not going anywhere after this, so I was just like, might as well be comfortable. Okay, I'm kind of getting hot now though. So I already moisturized using the Origins Original Skin Moisturizer. Still using this. Looks like pus. Eyebrows not cleaned up with concealer. Hairy caterpillars. Eyebrows clean with concealer. So I've been seeing this look around Instagram lately, and YouTubers starting to do it as well. The technique I'm gonna do is with my eyeshadow, of course. What people are starting to do is, or what I've seen, is start like in their crease with a dark color and then going in with a lighter color, and then to basically their transition shade instead of starting with the transition shade going into the darker colors. I wanted to try it, wanted to see if it works, wanted to see if I just suck. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me. I have two palettes with me, so I'm gonna have to use them again, even though they're like the only palettes I use. So I'm gonna be taking the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Yeah. She's fragile. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to be taking this burgundy shade over here, and I'm going to be packing that onto the crease. Okay, so I'm just using patting motions to put this like kind of a bit under the crease, in the crease, and under the crease. Under the crease. Hey, this can be a look like this. Just saying. BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz Set brush in the number 7. It's just a tapered blending brush. Okay, so I'm packing the color on pretty well. I think, oh my gosh, I look like someone punched me in the face. Okay, I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here. I'm just going to be touching it super lightly and blending that shade out. Kind of going like windshield wiper motions, just not all the way, like very tiny. And then slowly as I get out here, like towards the end, I'm starting to do circular motions. Not too big though, like make sure you stay within your small frame. And don't focus about the line you have with the orange. Don't worry about that just yet. I'm going to be going back in with the burgundy shade, same brush, just to pack on a bit more, because blending it kind of made it go away just a bit. So I'm packing on that burgundy shade just the same. And I'm going to be taking that brush I used for the orange shade, but I'm not going to be adding any product. I'm just going to start blending that burgundy shade. And I'm doing like tiny circular motions within the area. Now I'm going to be taking a crease brush, which is, I'm using the Modern Renaissance crease brush. I'm going to be taking this shade over here, that creamsicle shade. Like with a very light hand, I'm just going to be going in, and now I'm going to be blending out that orange. And I have done this look before, going the opposite way from, of course, starting with that creamsicle shade and then going to the burgundy shade. Actually switching over to my Sigma E38 brush. It's just a crease brush, but it's a bit smaller and more defined for what I'm doing. And this I'm doing, first I'm starting windshield wipers, and then I'm starting to do circular motions. So windshield, circular. I'm going to be going in with that brush. I use the orange, and I'm going to be applying a tad bit more orange over here on the outside because I still see like that burgundy, and then from the burgundy it just goes kind of to the yellow. So I'm going to be adding a bit more. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, she showed up. Yes. Just doing little circular motions. Go back with that burgundy some more. Bring her back to life. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking that yellow shade and going in again. I'm going to take a blending brush that has new product on it, like none. I mean, maybe old product, but nothing that I've put on it. It's just a plain brush, and I'm going to start blending that out. Just the top, like very top part where the yellow's at. I'm blending that out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this and see where we go. Oh my gosh, I still have to do the other eye. I'm not going to be putting a shimmer shade over it. I'm going to be taking my Cute AF palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to be putting this white shade right over that concealer. Okay, so once I have cut the crease, I'm going to be taking that burgundy shade once again, and I'm going to be packing this onto the outer V. I'm going to be taking that orange shade now, and I'm going to be putting that like right next to that burgundy shade, and I'm just like patting it, but also like doing little swipes, like swiping to the right. I make this so complicated. I don't know how else to explain it, you guys. Okay, so now on the opposite side of that Modern Renaissance brush, I'm going to be taking this packing side. And I'm going to be taking that yellow shade, the one I put at the very top, and I'm going to be putting that all over the lid. Excuse me. I'm going to be putting in a little bit more orange because it kind of faded away. And then to add just a little extra something to this, getting up close and personal. Hello pimples, hello pores, hello redness, hello anxiety. So I'm going to be adding the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. Looks like this. So I'm going to be go ahead and just drawing that line where I did the cut crease, that exactly where that line's at. And just the one thing with this eyeliner is that it does crack, so Ooh, I'm gonna do something super cute. Be taking my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So when I usually start like with this eyeliner, I'll start from outer to inner corner, but if it's like the other pen one, I'll start from outer to inner. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I forget. So that extra shadow that's underneath that liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off with a makeup wipe. I'm gonna be taking concealer, putting it like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is taking the Wet n Wild black liner, and what I'm going to be doing is putting this in my top waterline. Yeah, I'm going to use my bottom mirror over here. See how I kind of just like took out that like extra space of like skin, I guess you can say, because that's basically what it is. I got a new mascara. It's the Colossal Big Shot times Shayla. Okay, and the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Ardell 817 Fox Mink. They look like this. The glue I am using is the Duo, the green Duo one, so it's just like a little brush thing. Best glue ever, easiest to put on. I love it. And the way to put on lashes is you want to be looking down and then have them like upward instead of straight like that. You want to put them on like at an angle going in and looking down. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Don't drag me. I messed up on this eye. It's because when I look up, I can see that cut crease, but I can't really see that one. So I went from looking here, doing my makeup on here, to doing my makeup down here. So I kind of messed everything up. So I'm going to move on to my base now. I'm going to be taking my No Pore Blum Primer from Touch in Soul as my primer. So the normal foundation I use is my Makeup Forever HD if you've been watching my channel. But today I'm going to be trying something a bit different that I've been wanting to try. Today I'm going to be trying the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. It's thick. I'm scared. Do not get the sponge if you see it in the store. Do not. It is hard as a rock. Get the normal Real Techniques brush, the like all orange one. That one's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I know this. Oh no, it's okay. This foundation is supposed to oxidize, and it hasn't really oxidized on me just yet. So I don't know. I guess we'll wait it out. So now I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier powder and setting everywhere I put the concealer. Then I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Stay Matte powder that I always use. It's by Rimmel. It's just the Stay Matte powder in the shade Translucent. And this I'm just going to put everywhere. So now I'm going to bronze up the face using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Once I use the Butter Bronzer, I'm going to switch over to my e.l.f. Contour Palette. It's like this. And I'm just going to be taking these, like tapping into both shades. Next for blush, I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. My nose itches. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the contour with my Laura Mercier. Okay, so while I let that just sit there, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the under eye. Okay, so I'm just going to use an Eco Tools pencil brush, and I'm going to be going in with that darker shade again. Then after that burgundy, I'm going to take that orange shade, and then in the inner corner, I'm going to pop that yellow. I'm just going to take an e.l.f. blending brush and then blend those shadows right underneath to blend that line. I'm not blending the colors all together, I'm just blending that harsh line underneath all of them. I'm going to take a super small detailed brush and I'm going to dip into this very first shade and then this shade at the bottom here. Stunning. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add the mascara on the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to put the NYX eyeliner in Pure White. I should have done this before with the mascara, but I forgot until I was putting the mascara and I was like, why does it look so like weird? Then I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray to get ready for highlight. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Fire Crystal. Then last but not least, a lipstick. Finally, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D nude lipstick shade in the shade Ludwig. Just to be a bit extra, I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. So yeah, this is the finished look I did. I really hoped you guys enjoyed it. It was my first time trying a different technique, and honestly, I can say my eyeshadow looks way more pigmented than if I would have done it the other way around, starting with the transition and then going to the darkest shade. I also added a couple of little dots on the edge of my liner. I don't know. I felt like I needed more yellow and I just wanted to put it there, so I did. So thank you guys for watching this. If you made it all the way through, thank you. I applaud you. I love you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. Hit that like button if you guys really enjoyed this, if it really helped you try something different, just anything. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, you guys. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.